Lockdown has been confusing. I'm sure it's been confusing for everybody. But some days I'm very productive, like I'll work out and then I'll homeschool my nephew and then I'll do a bunch of things like reading and writing also sometimes. Like sometimes it's very productive and sometimes I just won't get out of bed. And like you've been saying, it's been like we've been living in a nightmare, like we wake up to such horrible news every day. But there are definitely days where I'm feeling extremely negative, like very negative. But then like I'm lucky that I have my family with me, so they kind of pull me out of that frame of mind. So yeah. So I'm with my family right now, so my brother and his sons and everyone. So I actually homeschool my nephew. So every day at 11:30 I actually take his English class. So it's not been that hard, like there has been a routine. And I think after I started teaching him like every single day, I started kind of feeling better, because I feel like I'm doing something and I'm contributing something. So that really helped me, like teaching my nephew and homeschooling him. So yeah. So actually for me, like work was my escape, you know what I mean? Like that was the place to be, like at all times. Like I've been working like every single day since 2016. So that's all I know, and when I'm not working I feel weird, like even my mom was like, it's a good thing and you get to relax and rest a little bit, but I'm just waiting to get back on set, really. Like
Yes.
So actually for me, like work was my escape, you know what I mean? Like that was the place to be, like at all times. Like what do I miss the most? All of it. I think everything about movie making is just amazing. From the time that you wake up, that you get on set, and you get your scenes, you get your dialogues, and then you interact with all these people, and then you're just creating something, right? Like you're making the movie. So the entire process, I think, is just the best thing, and it's been like therapy for me, like making all these movies and playing all these roles. It's really been therapy for me. So that's why I've really enjoyed it. So I enjoy the entire thing. But I guess I'm happy as well that I have this time off, to sort of look at everything, reevaluate a bunch of stuff. Social media kind of scares me. Like I get really scared. Like there'll be a lot of times where I'll post something on Instagram and then I will just delete it immediately, and or like after 3 hours I'll be like, no, I don't want to put that out there, and then I'll delete it. I don't know, it scares me. That's why I exercise restraint. When it comes to promoting work on social media and all this, I'm able to do that well, but there's nothing to promote at the moment, so I don't know why it kind of scares me. So I just don't like to post. All of these years, like for the past 4 years, it's either just been work or then I've been with my friends and just work and my friends. So the lockdown has really kind of forced me to be like, hold on, man, like just calm down, and it's made me spend time with my family that I really needed. And I think I've bonded so much with my family, and where I've never had this kind of close relationship with them, and I do now. And I really appreciate that, that I got that time. And with these recent deaths and all of this, you really start to look at life differently, right? And you start reprioritizing, and you're like, okay, it's not just working yourself into the ground and then partying with your friends that matters. Like there's so much more to life. And so that's why I've sort of just been reevaluating every day. And yeah, I'm trying to start meditating. Like before, I could never like just keep a quiet mind. Like there always had to be something going on. But I'm really starting to meditate and just sort of center myself. And I think the lockdown has kind of forced me to do that. And I think I needed it also. Yeah. I think it was like a turning point. I mean, definitely. It was that moment when I've been acting since 2016, and Yajmana released in 2019. So it was that point where people started acknowledging my work and started acknowledging me as an artist and as an actor and as a dancer and all of these things, and they really appreciated it. Like I would see these videos of all of Darshan sir's fans going up to the screen and dancing while the song was playing in the cinema, and to see that, like, as an artist, your work being so appreciated, I mean, there are no words to describe like how good that made me feel, and it's encouraging as well. It's very encouraging, like the fact that you put yourself out there, your work out there, and people really love it and appreciate it, and I think that's the most rewarding thing of being an actor. We're lucky that so many people can acknowledge our work and appreciate it, and I'm really happy that I got that platform. Like I really appreciate that. All of them, there's something amazing about all of them. I'm really happy that I worked with Darshan. So he was definitely, I definitely really wanted to work with him. He was on my list of people that I absolutely had to work with, and I'm happy I worked with him. I definitely want to work with Sandeep sir and Yash. So I'm happy that I worked with Ravi Teja Garu. That was an amazing experience, and he's also like legend. And then I think Alu Arjun and Vijay, all of these people, I'm happy. I'll try, okay? Please don't laugh at me. Okay. Basanni ba, bazaru namngai vattu basanni ba.